Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C serum in your nightly routine. First, begin by thoroughly cleansing your face. This crucial step removes all makeup, dirt, and impurities accumulated throughout the day, preparing your skin for optimal product absorption. Use a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. Then pat your face dry with a clean, soft towel. Ensuring your skin is clean and dry is the perfect foundation for the next steps in achieving a radiant complexion. Now let's apply the star of our routine, the vitamin C serum. Take about 3 to 5 drops of the serum onto your clean fingertips. Gently press, rather than rub, the product into your face and neck. This method helps with even distribution and absorption. Give the serum a moment, perhaps 1 to 2 minutes, to fully sink into your skin before moving on. This ensures your skin gets all the powerful antioxidant benefits. After your vitamin C serum has fully absorbed, it's time to layer on other beneficial products. Next, apply a rich, hydrating moisturizer to lock in moisture and provide additional nourishment. If you use an eye cream, gently dab a small amount around the delicate eye area. Finally, for an extra boost of hydration and to seal everything in, consider finishing with a few drops of a nourishing facial oil. This completes your comprehensive nightly routine. Consistency is truly key when incorporating vitamin C serum into your routine. For the best results, make it a nightly habit. You can typically expect to see visible improvements in your skin's brightness, tone, and texture within about 4 to 6 weeks of regular use. Remember to store your vitamin C serum in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, to help maintain its potency and effectiveness over time. Enjoy your glowing skin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.